In the natural world, there are creatures that don't just survive, they embody a beauty beyond imagination. Believe it or not, there's a bird so magnificent that even nature bows in awe, the bird of paradise. These birds are often referred to as living masterpieces straight from the heavens. Today, we're diving into the hidden secrets behind their mesmerizing plumage and enchanting dances. Deep in the heart of the dense rainforests of Papua New Guinea, where sunlight barely pierces the canopy, birds of paradise appear as true artists of nature. Their feathers shimmer with vivid blues, radiant yellows, fiery reds, and mystical oranges. Each feather, each movement, leaves viewers speechless. Every species of this bird family boasts its own unique charm. Some have long, flowing tails, while others show off intricate crests or magnificent beaks. But it's not just their dazzling appearance that makes them legendary. The real magic lies in their courtship dance, a spectacle that leaves us spellbound. Imagine a performance where the male bird shows off every incredible skill to impress the female. From fanning out their feathers like colorful fans to performing complex dance routines, leaping, flying, spinning, every movement is a mesmerizing display of elegance. Their dance is like a perfect symphony, where art and the wild come together in harmony. But why do birds of paradise have such enchanting colors? These brilliant feathers are not just for show, they are powerful survival tools. In the wild, where there's a constant battle for attention, their vibrant plumage makes them the shining stars of the forest. Scientists have discovered that these colors not only attract mates, but also serve as camouflage in their complex environment, protecting them from predators. However, their paradise is slowly disappearing. The rainforests, home to birds of paradise, are being destroyed day by day due to deforestation and illegal hunting. As a result, many species of these birds are facing the threat of extinction. This is a wake-up call for us all to recognize the importance of protecting their habitat. Saving birds of paradise means saving a priceless piece of nature. Birds of paradise are not just a testament to nature's incredible creativity, but a reminder of how precious life on this planet truly is. Do you want to see their enchanting dances forever? Let's act together to protect these extraordinary birds and preserve the remaining fragments of paradise on Earth. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you can continue exploring the wonders of the animal world with the animal palette.